Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby at the Edison Public Library. Welcome to Teen Tuesday's virtual crafting. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a God's eye. This is what a God's eye looks like. These are made traditionally in Mexico and the desert southwest of the United States. They are often considered a religious symbol because they were made to represent the eye of God that might be watching over you during prayer or some other occasion that you need the protection of a higher power. So this is a God's eye, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So the couple things that you're going to need are some sticks. Now I'm going to be doing popsicle sticks, but you can use kebab sticks or chopsticks or even sticks from your own yard. So as long as you connect them together in the middle by tying them or gluing them, it's the perfect thing to use. You can use as many colors of yarn as you would like. I'm going to use 2, and you'll need scissors to cut the yarn with. So the first thing you want to do is choose which color you want as the center of your eye. And I'm going to do red on this. Actually, I'm going to do blue and mix it up. So you take your piece of yarn and you can cut it, or you can just start using it off the spool. And there we go. So to start with, wrap it around a couple times just to get it kind of connected. And then you're going to start using either an under wrap or an over wrap. It's up to you. It does create a different type of pattern. The PDF that's part of this Event Keeper program, you can print it off and it'll show you how to do either one. So I'm going to do an under wrap. So that's coming under and then coming around to the next one and under. All right, and then you just keep doing that, going under each arm. You keep doing this until you get a nice eye in the center, and then you can move on to your next color. When you're ready for your next color, you're going to cut your first color and you're going to tie your next color on. It's always nice to trim it. And then you just continue with your wrapping. All right, now when you get to this point, or as filled as you would like to make it, you're going to trim off the end and you're going to tie it onto a piece of string here, the last one. And then you can glue a piece of string or pom-poms onto it to give it an added decorative effect. These make a great gift for Mother's Day or any other day. Fathers like them too. So I hope you enjoy making these, and please join us for our next program you can find on our Event Keeper page on our website. Thank you.